Geeky here, and I'm going to unravel one of the biggest mysteries of spreadsheets: how to do a return inside a cell. I've seen many creative workarounds. Workaround no more. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to do that return. This will work in Excel, Google Sheets, and other spreadsheet programs. Here we go. You've selected the cell you're going to type in. You're typing away. When you get to the end of the line, hold down the Alt, sometimes it's the Option key, Alt Option key, and at the same time do your Return or Enter key. Alt Option, Return Enter at the same time, and voila, you're doing hard returns inside a cell. Just to review, you're in the cell you want to type in, you're typing away, you need to do a return, hold down the Alt Option key and press the Enter and Return key at the same time. Keep typing. When you want to do a return, hold down the Alt Option key and the Enter and Return key at the same time. And voila, you are doing returns inside a cell. This has been A Minute with Mrs. Geeky. I hope you found this helpful. We'll see you next time.